Opening the carton, there's a bobbin winder, a thread-through lever, a nut. Take the 8/10 spanner from the tool bag. Screw the nut onto the thread-through lever. Then screw the thread-through lever to the bobbin winder. Adjust the position of the thread-through lever. Then tighten the nut. Put thread into the thread-through lever. Go through the hole. Then lift the thread from the bottom to the top. Then through the other hole. This is the power switch and turn it on. Then install the bobbin. It's not right if the bobbin can't rotate. Use a screwdriver to make the opening wider. If the opening is too big, just use the pliers to tighten it up a bit. Wrap the thread around the bobbin 3 times. Pull on the thread with your hand and press this switch. This bobbin winder stopped automatically now, but this bobbin isn't full. Then you need to loosen this screw. Then move this black button down a little and tighten the screw. Turn the switch on again. It's a full-on state right now. Hold the bobbin in your left hand. Keep the cutout of the bobbin case in the upper position. Put the bobbin into the bobbin case. Put the thread through this cutout. Pull the thread inside and hang on the hook. Pass the thread through this spring hook. Open this bobbin cover. Putting the bobbin into the machine. And press it. When you hear the rattle, it's installed.